Hello students, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to discuss about modules in Python. So module is nothing but collection of classes, variables and functions. Okay, so up to now we have discussed about variables and functions. In the coming classes we will discuss about the classes. Okay, so just need to remember module is nothing but collection of classes, variables and functions. Okay, so there are two types of modules. One is predefined module and another one is user defined module. Predefined module and user defined module. So in the predefined modules, all the classes, variables, functions are predefined, already defined. So the name itself indicates predefined, nothing but already defined. Okay, so the classes, variables and functions in predefined module are already defined. But in user defined, we need to define the classes, we need to define the variables and we need to define the functions. So those type is known as user defined functions. So we already know how to declare classes and how to declare functions. Okay, so based on that, we will create user defined modules. Okay, so in today's class, we will discuss about user-defined modules. In the coming classes, in the next class, we will discuss about predefined modules. Okay, so first we need to create one function, def add. Okay, so here the parameters are a comma b. So this is the way to create one function. Yes or no? So here module is nothing but collection of classes, variables and functions. So here this module contain only function. So it is used to perform the addition of two numbers. Okay, the addition of two numbers. Let us assume this is one module. Okay, the module name is same name as class name. Okay, sorry, same name as file name. So here the file name is add.py. So what is the module name? Module name is also add.py. The module name is add. Okay, so next I am defining one more function, def sub. It is used to print a minus b. Okay, it is used to perform the subtraction operation. Okay, so here a add is one module and sub is one module. Okay, so what is a module? Module is nothing but collection of variables, classes and function. But these modules contain only functions. Okay, so we can put variables, classes and functions. Okay, whatever we want. So I am storing functions in these two modules. Okay, so I want to create one more file. Okay, so I want to create one more file. In this file, in this Python file, I want to access add function as well as subtraction function. Okay, add function and subtraction function. Okay, so by using modules, you can access the functions, variables and classes of another files. Okay, so just you need to import these modules. Okay, these files are known as modules, user defined modules. So that's why we are storing user defined function in this module. Okay, so if you want to access the functions in these two modules, in these two files, then you need to import these two files, these two modules. Okay, so modules are nothing but files. These files contain collection of classes, variables and functions. So if you want to access these classes, variables and functions of these files, then you need to import. Okay, so the keyword import is used to import the modules. So what is the module name? Add. Okay, the next, import sub. What is the module name? Sub. Okay, so in this way we can import any number of files, any number of modules. Okay, so the next one is So I want to access add function in add module. So for that purpose, you need to use add module. Okay, add dot. So what is the function name? The function name is add. Again add. Okay. So add of. So I am calling the function. Okay. So here this add is a function. It is inside this add module. So that's why add dot add. And next here you need to pass the parameters. For A and B you need to pass the parameters. So we can pass values at the time of calling. Okay, so we are calling here, so that's why we need to pass parameters. So here I am passing parameter, that is nothing but 4 comma 5. Now function calling is happen, and this function is inside the add module, and it will go to there and it will execute this function. Okay, so after that, same, I want to add sub function. I want to call sub function, but it is inside the sub module. Okay, so same 4 comma 5. Yes, 4 comma 5. Okay, so let's see. Here sub is a function. It is inside sub module. Okay, so you can take different names as your wish. Okay, but I am taking the same names for module names as well as function names. You can take different names also. Okay, so here first name is represents module, and the second name is represents function. You can remember, so the word which contain parenthesis is known as function. Okay. So let us execute this program. So we will get the result 4 plus 5 is 9. 4 minus 5 is minus 1. So here we didn't specify the function implementations, but the function implementations are inside the module. Okay, so function implementations are inside the modules. So if you want to access these implementations, then you need to import the modules. Okay, so we can rename the modules as A. Okay, so we can rename the modules. So here I want to rename sub as S. Okay, so in the add place you can use A. Okay, in the sub place you can use yes. Let us execute. So same output we will get. Okay, so next I am defining one variable in this program. Okay, so I want to define one variable. So here the variable name is n and the value is 888. Okay, so variable name is n and the value is 888. So here also I want to define one more value, and the variable name is m and the value is 999. Okay, so variable value is 999. Okay, so next here I want to print n value and m value. For that purpose, print. So in add module, n value is there. So that's why you need to use add module. Add module is renamed as a dot n. A dot n. Next, print. So in S module, in sub module, M is there. So that's why sub module is renamed as S dot M. Let us execute this program. So here we will get 9 minus 1, 888, 999. In this way, we can access the functions as well as variables in one file to another file by using modules. Okay, so these are the user defined modules. Okay, so I created one more file. So this is the complete implementations of add and sub. Okay, so let us see this program. So just I am defining two modules, add module as well as sub module. Okay, so I am implementing these two modules in this program. Okay, so that's why I am importing add and importing sub. You can import like add comma sub also. Import add comma sub. Next, print 1 is for sum and 2 option is for multiplication. Okay, so 1 option for sum and 2 option for multiplication. Enter your choice. Okay, so let's execute this program. Okay, so here it is asking 1 is for sum and 2 is for not multiplication, it is subtraction. Okay, so 1 is for addition and the second one is subtraction. Okay, so let us execute one more time. Stop and yes, so one is for sum and second one is for subtraction. So I want to know the sum. Okay, so enter your choice. So I am entering 1. Okay, so if the choice is 1, okay, if the C is 1, then it will ask enter first number. So the first number is 23 and the second number. So here it will ask second number. The second number is 12. Okay, so the second number is 12. So it will read two numbers. After that, it will call add function in add module. So it will call add function in add module. So this function is used to add two variables. Okay, two variable values. So see this? Yes. Let us execute. Yes. Just wait a second. Yes. So first I am entering 1 and after the 12, 23. Okay. It will perform 35. It will perform addition operation. Okay. So 12 plus 23 is 35. Okay. So the next one. Next. So I want to know the subtraction. Okay. So if the choice is 2, if the choice is 2, it will ask first number and second number. After that, it will call sub function. It is there in sub module. Okay. So let's see. Yes, 2 for subtraction. It will ask first number 12 and the second number is 10. Okay, 12 minus 10 is 2. So it will return 2. Okay, so it will call sub function. It is there in sub module and it will perform subtraction operation. Okay, so the next one is and the last one, if you enter any choice, okay, other than 1 and 2. For example, I am entering here 5. Okay, so it will display wrong choice. Okay, if the choice is 1, it will display these statements. If the choice is 2, it will display these statements. If the choice is not 1 and 2, it will execute else part and it will display wrong choice. So in this way, we can use user defined modules. So in the next class, I will explain about predefined modules. Okay, I hope it is clear. If you have any doubts regarding to this video, please comment me in the comment section. Thank you.